Now I am going to consider the cubic polynomials whose coefficients and their zeros can be, relations can be established here. The cubic polynomial, here, the cubic polynomial px is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. As usual, as in the case of quadratic polynomial, I am going to consider px if alpha, beta, gamma are zeros of px, then px can be written as px is equal to a into x minus alpha and x minus beta into x minus gamma, and this can be, first I would like to multiply these two linear polynomial as a into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta, and then I would like to take out this x minus gamma to be multiplied with this quadratic polynomial, and therefore, and this is equal to, I can write down a x cube minus alpha plus beta into x square plus alpha into beta into x, then multiply minus alpha to each term of the quadratic polynomial. So I can write down minus gamma x square plus gamma into alpha plus beta into x minus alpha, beta, gamma, and therefore px, simplifying this one by taking x square terms, adding x square terms, and then adding the coefficients of the xth term, and therefore px equal to, I can write down, simplifying this one, a into x cube minus a into alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus a into, and these are going to be the zeros to take product, sum of the product taken two at a time, alpha into gamma plus beta into gamma into x, plus I would like to write down minus a into alpha, beta, gamma. Compare the coefficients of px in a standard form, that is comparing with the px, that is here ax cube, comparing the coefficients. And of x square, x and the constant term. We get minus a into alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to b, and a into alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus beta gamma is equal to C and minus A alpha beta gamma is equal to D, and therefore this comparison will give us alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus B by A from this. And what is exactly this is minus coefficient of x square divided by coefficient of x cube, and alpha into beta plus alpha into gamma plus beta into gamma is equal to what is that? From this C by A is equal to that is a coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square, and also alpha beta gamma is equal to d by A is equal to constant term divided by coefficient of x square. In this fashion, coefficient of x cube, here x cube. And in this fashion, we can establish a relation between coefficients of a polynomial px is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. And now I can say in general, if the polynomial is of degree n of the form px is equal to standard form an x raised to n plus an minus 1 x raised to n minus 1 plus etc. plus a1x plus a naught, and if by the fundamental theorem of algebra, if alpha 1, alpha 2, etc., alpha n are the zeros of this polynomial, then it can be as usual in the case of quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. This can be written as px is equal to a into x minus alpha 1, x minus alpha 2, so on and so forth, x minus alpha n. By the similar expansion which we have done in the case of quadratic and cubic polynomial, this can also be done in this same fashion, and proof I'm going to leave it as an exercise, and therefore we can have this in general, the relation which you have written here. You can go through the proof in the next level.